Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Maguan. The question for today is from MC. He asks, I have money saved up for investments, but is it safe to invest in properties now, given the current pandemic predicament? If you're fortunate to keep a steady and well-paying job amid the pandemic, then yes, it is safe for you to invest in properties. In fact, there are short-term opportunities in the market that you can take advantage of for huge long-term gains. Many developers are offering more generous payment terms than ever to help home buyers and investors manage their cash flows better. These promo terms include lower monthly payment terms and no spot cash down payment. Now it becomes easier for you to get started, and you can even afford bigger and more properties. While the pandemic has an impact on the real estate market, always think long-term. Per the International Monetary Fund, our GDP is projected to grow by 6.5% annually until 2025, setting us up for a quick recovery post-pandemic. The truth remains that our population is young and growing, and there remains a real demand for residential real estate. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you need help in getting a property, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.